Yazi bafethu kunento esho uJunior Khanye, yabo. Ngiyazi ukuthi naye ubuya nhlanhlathela asho lo imisangano yakhe, but kunento esho uJunior Khanye bafethu ngoMfundo Vilakazi ukuthi yazi uMfundo Vilakazi usemncane ukuthi angathwala i-Kaizer. Usemncane, he still needs i-character, yabona. Not ukuthi umfundo akadlali kahle, umtswempu umfana, but usadlala ngethalente kuphela. Uyicacisele into uJuni usadlala ngethalente kuphela umfundo, akakabi ne-character. So i-development e-right akayitholanga. Yes, wadlala kwi-development kwi-DDC, but mathi siyakhumbula kahle umfundo, I think wahlala isizini eyi-1 because umfundo bamthatha edlala lapha ebhuqwini mangingaphosisi estradini ejika amadoda lapha yamthatha i-Kaizer. I think wahlala 1 year, one season noma 2 kwi-DDC, angisakhumbuli kahle, and then wapromota waya kwilontunjana kwi-A team, yabo, kwi-team enkulu. So akazange athole man that proper development because we could see ukuthi umfundo is a good player, but right now he's only playing with i-talent kuphela. I-talent kuphela, akakabi nayo leya character leya, yabo, the character leyo ukuthi usengathwala i-team phela emahlombe akhe. Yes, he can give those assists and what because I believe ukuthi umfundo Vilakazi i-position yakhe number 10. Yes, he plays as a winger, but ubheke mangabe edlala nontanga bakhe ama-under 20 udlala kwilontunjana kwi-position yakhe which is u-10 because umfundo is an intelligent player. Umfundo, yes, he can create something out of nothing. That's a number 10 role, ukuthi nje mase sesidunyile sithi singasokwenzani, you can create something, yabo. Uyakwazi ukushaya out of the box, uyakwazi ukuphasa, uyakwazi ukudribula, uyiphethe yonke lona ka number 10, yabo. But I believe as the time goes, into engamkhulisa ngokubelieve kwami ukuthi iloku imfaka eKaizer. They must give him i-game time because iKaizer inkinga ayileyo. Bengamfaka namhlanje enze kahle, enze ama-assist, uthi yabheka igame ezaba akasekho futhi, yabo. So I believe ukuthi iKaizer Chiefs, they need to give him i-game time, yabo, so that ezodevelopa kahle, yabo, abe naleya character leya because he still needs i-character. Umfundo is very young ukuthi usengathwala iKaizer amahlombe akhe, yabo. So bazomnika umthwalo ozomsinda kakhulu. Yes, he's a special player, he's a good player, and he play with talent. Njengamanje adlala ngethalente lakhe kuphela. So I mean, on this one bafethu ngiyavumelana noJunior Khanye. Ulena cha ngiyavumelana nayo. I know ukuthi kwesinye isikhathi ubuya khuluma nhlanhlathe, akhulume ngabadlali bethu, yabo, abadlali beKaizer. Nami ngangikhondoni leyo nto leyo, angikhondoni. But ngithe mangimuzwa ngimlalela ekhuluma ngomfundo, ngayibona lento akayisho, yabo. Umfundo is a great player. Don't get me wrong, he's a great player, but he still needs character, man. I don't want to say experience, but leyo character leyo ezomnika confident. Yes, he's hungry umfana, usemncane, but he's too young ukuthi usengayithwala i-team emahlombe akhe, simfakele i-pressure because everyone uyabona njengamanje ukuthi udinga umfunda abe phakathi, and then kuzoba ne-bad game khona, thola ukuthi aka-assist akenzi lutho, and then leyo nto izomdemoralize umfana because we are putting too much weight kuyena, yabo. We are putting too much weight kuyena, so asimyekeni umfana nje akhule kahle, yabo. So nje into esingayicela kwiKaizer ukuthi iloku imfaka so that ezogena leyo confidence naleyo character leyo esiyidingayo because his original position ilapha ku number 10. I still believe ukuthi lapha ku number 10 because into ezokwenzeka uzosuke nje aglow esemdala, yabo. Uzoqala mhlawumbe aglow ko-25 if bezobe bemncisha i-game time, yabo. Uzovela aglow nje esemdala kakhulu kukhane selibona italente lakhe kahleke, but if bangamqhubeka bemuthi manje by the age of 21 because uyi-future yeKaizer, mangabe iKaizer ake ngambekezela la ngangazi ke yamdayisa, but uyi-future yeKaizer umfundo, yabo. By the age of 21, 22 ila khona I believe ukuthi uzobe sekwi-peak yakhe la ezobe seshisa khona, sesazi ukuthi sinomdlalo esithembele kuyena, yabo. But for now I think singamfakeli kakhulu i-pressure umfana because usazoba nawo ama-bad games. Lokho ufana akwazi, usazoba nawo ama-bad games, sazoyokudlula mhlawumbe ama-games awu-2 noma awu-3 enga-assistanga engenzanga lutho, yabo. So I think kumele singamfakeli kangako i-pressure, man, but I believe kumfana, man, una-talent enzima. You just need leya character leya, yabo, yokuthi ayi cha sengayithwala i-team emahlombe ami manje, yabo. But for now umfana he's still young, so I believe ukuthi akanikezwe ithuba umfana bafethu, otherwise ikhosi alipheli moya bafethu. That's just my opinion.